Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. So for today we're going to be unboxing this educational toy made by GOKI. It's a German company and it's one of the companies we work with. They have several wooden products, they're one of the best. And everything they have is, as mentioned, wooden and very classical types of products. For this one, it's a memory game based on sound. And just so you guys can have an idea, this is how it looks like. So this is the back. It has, different instructions and writings. And this is basically a 3+ aged game. You can play 2 to 4 players. It has 12 pieces and 6x6. So 6 would sound like the other 6, each to their own. And it includes dice, like you can use the dice. So this is it. I'm gonna go straight to it. So this is how it comes. This one's a sample, so obviously it would become neater. It comes with a instruction manual, different languages, tells you what exactly the game is, and gives you all the rules. So this is how it looks like. So as you notice, each, piece has a different color. And if you look inside, they have their equivalent, so they would sound the same. So let's say, for example, this. That's one sound. That's another sound. So what you would do is you'd, flip these upside down and then have the child shake it, or you shake it to the child, and they should identify the one that's similar. And then you self-correct yourself, see if it's correct or not. And basically that's the whole concept of the game. It helps in memory, to establish memory in the child. It also helps them identify different sounds, get used to the different sounds they can hear. And all in all, it's an educational product which is necessary for the child. It targets different areas for their development. And yeah, so that's GOKI Memory Sound Game.